The suitcase packaging alone sets a different standard. It ships in a custom briefcase. Inside is the mouse and everything you need, including an 8K receiver that doubles as a battery charger. This is the Cloud White version. The full metal hollowed-out body takes direct inspiration from Lotus concept cars. Magnesium alloy keeps the total weight locked at exactly 49 grams. The core feature is the hot swappable battery system. A quick magnetic swap means zero charging downtime. The ergonomic shape fits medium to large hands. Performance is backed by 2.4G wireless and an 8 kHz wired polling rate.